Hello everyone. This is English for Beginners. Level A1. Today we learn to talk about ourselves. Listen to the story. Hi, I'm Sandra. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Spain. I'm a student. I study English. I can speak English very well. In my free time I meet my friends. We talk a lot and we often go to the mall. I like shopping. It's really exciting. I don't like playing video games. They are boring. How about you? Did you understand the story? Let's check. Answer the questions. 1. Sandra is from France or Spain. 2. Sandra doesn't like shopping or video games. You can check your answers at the end of the video. Now it's your turn. Talk about yourself. Complete the sentences. Write your answers in the comments. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And here's the correct answers. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.